everyone! Something very big is coming. It's the elephant, the biggest land animal in the world. Elephants live in Africa and Asia. They live in forests, grasslands, and hot places. Elephants are very big, but they are also kind and gentle. They have a long nose called a trunk. It can smell, grab things, and spray water. African elephants have very big ears. They flap their ears to stay cool on hot days. Elephants love to eat grass, leaves, fruit, and tree bark. They eat a lot of food every day. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Elephants also live together in families. The big elephants help and protect the baby elephants. Elephants are very smart animals. They can remember places and recognize their friends. And guess what? Elephants love water. They spray water with their trunks and splash around like giant playful kids. Splash! So next time you see an elephant, remember, elephants are huge, strong, smart, funny, and very sweet animals.